Hi guys. I got this drill set, which is £3 off Amazon. No wait, eBay. And I've not actually opened it yet. I've just took out the packaging. But I've done this video because this is a really good set for keep. So it comes in this, the box, and it's an 8-bit set. I've not actually opened this yet. Here's the information and all that. It was made by Daniel Professional Tools. 8 pieces, and it comes with 4 hole saws, 1 piece mandrel, 1 piece dry plate, and 1 piece hex key wrench. And a hole saws is, I think it's these. They're the hole saws. The mandrel is this. The key wrench is this, and the dry plate is this. And actually not that bad quality, to be honest. Only about £4. Get a nice little box with all your stuff in it, and these proper metal. So the sizes are 2-inch, 3-inch, another 2-inch, 4-inch, and 5-inch. And they do go up to like really big sizes. I mean, this, I don't think you could get this anywhere else, but it's huge. So you can cut a hole for a speaker and it will be perfect, fitting just nice and snug. The smallest one is this one, which is fine. It's just good for like cutting MDF and all that, but it doesn't come with any small pieces, so just bear that in mind. And they are very sharp. Quality's fine, and they can. It says clean, accurate holes through up to 25mm. Thick drywall, wood, plaster, plastic, and other soft materials. Ideal for woodworking, obviously. So that's pretty much all I can say about this, but it is very good, and I'll see you later.